Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for beginners. Start by building a strong foundation with core concepts such as atomic structure and chemical bonding. These are the building blocks for everything else. Next, ensure your math skills are sharp, especially algebra and unit conversions, as they are crucial for problem solving. Finally, establish a consistent study routine to reinforce your learning and prevent information overload. Regular practice is key to success in chemistry. To truly grasp chemistry, don't just passively read, actively engage with your textbook. Highlight important definitions and work through example problems step by step. Consistent problem-solving practice is essential. Aim for at least 1 hour daily. Visual aids are incredibly helpful, so draw out molecular structures, reaction mechanisms, and experimental setups. Seeing the concepts visually can make a huge difference in your comprehension. Maximize your learning by reviewing your notes soon after each lecture, ideally within 24 hours, to prevent forgetting. Consider forming a study group with peers. Explaining concepts to others is a powerful way to deepen your own understanding. Don't hesitate to use the wealth of online resources available, including educational videos and interactive practice quizzes, to supplement your textbook and lectures. These tools can offer different perspectives and additional practice. For advanced learning, always strive to connect new information with what you already know. This creates a stronger mental framework. Never be afraid to ask for help. Your instructor or a tutor can provide invaluable guidance when you're stuck on a difficult concept or problem. Remember, everyone faces challenges, and seeking support is a sign of strength. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.